40 advanced phrases to speak like native. I don't know. Beats me? Where did she go? Beats me. I haven't seen her all day. I'm tired. I'm beat. After the long hike, I'm beat and need to rest. Let's start. Let's dive in. We've got a lot to cover, so let's dive in and get started. It's a secret. It's hush-hush. The details of the project are hush-hush for now, but you'll hear soon. No problem. No sweat. I can help you with that report, no sweat. It's very crowded. It's packed. The concert was amazing, but the venue was so packed we could barely move. I'm really busy. I'm tied up. I'd love to meet for coffee, but I'm tied up with work all afternoon. I'm worried. I'm freaking out. I can't believe the deadline is tomorrow. I'm freaking out. I need to leave now. I gotta hit the road. It's getting late, so I gotta hit the road if I want to make it home on time. It's not important. It's no biggie. You lost your pen. It's no biggie. I have a spare. I don't know what to say. I'm at a loss for words. The speech was so touching. I'm at a loss for words. That's not fair. It's a raw deal. He worked overtime for weeks and now they're cutting his pay. It's a raw deal. Stop talking. Zip it. We don't have time for jokes right now. Zip it. It's impossible. It's a lost cause. We tried everything to fix the old car, but it's a lost cause. It's too expensive. It costs an arm and a leg. That new phone looks great, but it costs an arm and a leg. I need your advice. I'd love to pick your brain. You're the expert in marketing. I'd love to pick your brain about a new strategy. I don't have time. I'm swamped. I can't help you right now. I'm swamped with work. I'm sorry. My apologies. My apologies for being late. There was a lot of traffic. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. The math homework was a piece of cake for her. Let's finish it. Let's wrap it up. We're almost out of time, so let's wrap it up and finalize the meeting. I don't care. I couldn't care less. I couldn't care less about the gossip. I just want to focus on my work. It's my responsibility. It's on me. Don't worry about the bill, it's on me this time. You decide. It's your call. Should we go to the movies or stay in? It's your call. I'm leaving. I'm off. I'm off to the store. Do you need anything? It's your turn. The ball's in your court. I've given you all the information you need. Now the ball's in your court. I'm listening. I'm all ears. You've got my full attention. I'm all ears. I agree. I'm on board. I think the idea is great. I'm on board with the plan. It's your fault. You dropped the ball. I asked you to send the emails, but you dropped the ball. I like it. I'm fond of it. I'm really fond of that new restaurant. The food is amazing. It's not my problem. It's not my concern. If they're arguing about the schedule, it's not my concern. I'll try. I'll give it a shot. I've never tried rock climbing, but I'll give it a shot. Wait patiently. Hang tight. The doctor will be with you shortly. Hang tight. What are we doing next? What's the plan? We've finished the first task. What's the plan for next? That's excellent. That's on point. Your presentation was on point. Great job. Let's get moving. Let's roll. The car is packed. Let's roll. It's mutually beneficial. It's a win-win. If we share the resources, it's a win-win for both teams. It's an obvious choice. That's a no-brainer. Choosing the cheaper option was a no-brainer. I'll support you. I've got your back. Don't worry about the project deadline. I've got your back. It's in the past. It's water under the bridge. I know we had some disagreements before, but it's water under the bridge now. Don't worry about it. Don't sweat it. You're worried about the test? Don't sweat it, you've got this.